Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some dehydration of mangoes and bananas. Guys, dehydrating is really easy and it's super fun. My son is obsessed with dried mangoes and bananas, which is why we're picking those fruits today. But real quick, I wanted to show you guys the dehydrator that I use. It's the Nesco dehydrator. You can get really inexpensively on Amazon. There are nicer dehydrators out there, but especially if you're kind of getting your feet wet, this is really inexpensive. I feel like it was like 50 bucks. And it comes with quite a few trays and you can do so much with it. But once you get like hardcore in dehydrating, like I said, there are some better products out there, but like this is great. And I still use this one today, a few years later. We're gonna cut up a mango, we're gonna peel it and then cut it into small slices. How you choose to slice your fruit to dehydrate it is completely up to you, because I like to put it in my son's lunch. I like to cut them in really small pieces so he can just take them out with his fingers and eat them. But you can also puree. You could even take this mango, puree it in your Vitamix, and actually make like fruit roll-ups, because the dehydrator that I have comes with these trays that you can literally lay out liquefied fruit and make almost like fruit roll-ups for yourself. But today we're just gonna cut the fruits up in small slices and throw them on the dehydrator, turn that bad boy on, forget it exists. When we check it again, we'll be ready to eat some dried fruits. So now we've cut up the mango in small slices. Like I said, you can do it however you want, but this is bite-sized. My son loves it like this. So I put copaiba oil in everything. It's wonderful on a cellular level for your body. It's a great support for your immune system, to help fight infections, for your skin, for digestion, for so many things. So what I like to do, I put it on everything, including my mangoes that I dry, is just kind of sprinkle a few drops of copaiba oil, and I'll just kind of mix it up a little bit with my fingers, and then we're going to lay it on the tray. So this is the tray that I was telling you about, that you could actually have pureed the mango and then laid it out and make like fruit roll-ups, like for real fruit roll-ups. And you don't have to use this tray when you're just doing cut up fruit, but through trial and error through the years, I would highly recommend it for sticky fruit specifically, because when I don't, then they get stuck to the bottom of the dehydrator and it's just a lot more mess to clean up. So this just makes life a whole lot easier. And I like to spread them out just a little bit. So this is my preference for just how to slice little bananas to make little banana chips. I'm gonna add a little copaiba oil to my bananas. And then we're just gonna lay them on the tray. So we finished cutting our fruit for today. So in the bottom, we have one whole mango, delicious. My son's gonna be so excited. And then I cut up 4 bananas. So basically I have 2 bananas on each tray. We added some copaiba oil to all of our fruit because it's amazing. And we're gonna put this bad boy top on. What's really cool, for those of you kind of just getting started with dehydration, if you buy this particular dehydrator, which I'm not endorsing anyone specifically, this just happens to be the one I have, but they send you a book that helps you get ideas and recipes and tell you what temperature. But what's really, really cool for you newbies, the top lid has a temperature guide for basics like herbs and spices, nuts and seeds, crafts, fruits and vegetables. So 135 for fruits and vegetables. And we're gonna take this guy up here to 135, plug it in, and then walk away. And literally, you don't have to think about this again. I like to check it every few hours, but I like my fruits pretty dehydrated. Sometimes I'll do the bananas where they're kind of sticky still. It just depends on my mood. So check it in 4 hours and maybe check it in 4 more hours. And enjoy your dehydrated fruits. See you again soon.